What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome to my crib. Let's go ahead and talk about today's top stocks. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about my day trade that led me to make a little bit over $600 today. This breakdown is going to be a little bit different. If you guys like this style of breakdown and technical analysis, be sure to drop a thumbs up in comparison to my live videos that I usually make after I close my positions. But pretty much the position that I ended up taking a position on today is ARQL. As you guys can see, I talked about this one. I talked about 3 stocks actually yesterday. Feel free to check out that video. It was the top 3 stocks that I saw valuing for this week, for the month of July, and this was one of the main ones that I talked about. I talked about that I wanted to make sure that I focused this week on stocks that are showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. This one and the 2 other ones met that criteria. I talked about a lot of them being a little bit more on the overextended side and due for a pullback. Fortunately, when the market opened, I saw that it was trading in between that middle and top VWAP, so I was able to successfully scalp that, which led to my successful day trade. I did see that there was a break of pattern between that middle VWAP and then it ended up breaking below that SMA indicator, which led to a break of pattern, and that's exactly what we talked about in yesterday's video. If we see that it breaks below the SMA indicator, that's a break of pattern. It pulls back. It's most likely going to try to bounce around that 180-day EMA and SMA indicator, and I want to give a huge shout out to Junie, if I'm not mistaken. He pointed out on the 20-day 1-hour chart there's actually a resistance on ARQL, which ended up giving me a better understanding that this thing was a little bit more on the overbought side, that it was due for a pullback, and that's why I was so confident in locking in my profits. And as you guys can see, it's starting to show signs a little bit more of consolidation and of a potential reversal. As of right now, again, it's still too early to tell. In the past couple of hours, the market has been pulling back a little bit more than I'm comfortable with. I made a couple of announcements, both for those that are part of TechBud Solutions and Learn Plan Profits, saying that after the profits that I locked in today, I'm going to step away and make sure that I don't overtrade. If you don't feel comfortable trading, if you are having trouble understanding why something is pulling back or why the market is so volatile, then one of the best positions that you can take is not taking one at all, and that's definitely after I closed this specific position, something that I really wanted to make sure that I stayed true to. So I still see a lot of value in the specific stocks that I talked about yesterday. I'm going to follow up with them if they end up bouncing where it is that I said that I thought they would. If they do, then great. If they don't, then they get rejected. And the amazing thing about that is that I did not take a swing trade position. I solely focused on the day trade opportunity because I was focused on the VWAP indicator and that certain time frame that allowed me to take advantage of that so-called opportunity. So that's pretty much it. I kept it really simple today, covered a little bit over $600 profit, and I'm really looking forward to the next couple of days. I'm going to try to keep it consistent, try to keep it very simple, and that's really just it. So I hope you guys enjoyed again this video. Be sure to click the link down below if you guys haven't joined TechBud Solutions already. It's that 3rd link down below. We have a little bit over 120,000 members worldwide, and if you guys want the ability to watch me trade live every single day, just like the Learn Plan Profit group, invest 30 seconds, click that first link down below, and learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit lesson library and how we can work a little bit on a closer basis. So I want to thank you guys again for your time. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel.